Begin. UFC fighter Wagner Rocha. Getting prepared for battle, January 20th. 6. High pulls, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Take off, kid. Take off, take off, take off. Come on. Come on, Wagner. Come on, kid. Push, push, push. Drive. Show them how hard you're working, man. Come on, kid. Come on, Wagner. Training at Hip Fitness Warehouse, baby.